A lot of people get confused when using affect and effect and aren't sure of the difference between the two. So if that's you, then hopefully this video will help you out. The main difference between the two is that affect is usually a verb and effect is usually a noun. Affect means to make a difference to something. For example, exercising will affect your health. Here, affect is used to tell us that exercising will make a difference and change a person's health. Effect is used to talk about the result of the change that has been made, the consequence of the change. So if something affects you, you will experience the effect of it. Using a similar example to earlier, we have the effect of exercising is that you will become healthier. So here we're talking about the consequence of exercising. So to summarize, effect is usually a verb that is used to talk about the impact something will have. Effect is usually a noun that is used to talk about the consequence of that impact. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.